Hi, welcome back to our online preparation course for the TOEFL test. In this video, we are going to continue getting prepared for the listening section, part A. In this module, we are going to focus on double negatives. But first of all, what is a double negative? Be so kind to watch the following video so we can start with our module. Here we go.
This is Everyday Grammar. I'm Kaveh.
And I'm not Lucia.
Lucia, that's a pretty weird introduction. Are you trying to use double negatives?
Well, I would like to say that I'm not unfortunately using double negatives, but I am.
I can see that. Well then, can you tell our viewers what double negatives are?
Sure, there isn't no other way. A double negative is when you use two negative words in the same clause of a sentence.
There isn't no other way.
Today, we will talk about two types of double negatives. The first type is when two negative words form a weak positive statement.
We can't not go to sleep. Time is not unlimited.
The second type of double negative is when two negatives form a stronger negative. This typically happens in casual conversation.
I don't know nothing. I can't get no answers.
You should avoid this type of double negative in formal situations. You probably would not want to say, I don't know nothing, in a school paper.
I don't know nothing. I sometimes use that myself.
But now, Kaveh, you do know something about double negatives. And that's not everyday grammar.
Okay, so if you notice, a double negative is constructed by two negative auxiliaries or by two negative verbs or by a negative word and a negative prefix, right? Or with neither or not plus either. Okay, so I want you to look at the example. He didn't like the unclean office. So if you notice, we have a negative verb and we have a negative prefix. So the sentence becomes positive. He didn't like the unclean office. It means that he liked a clean office. Okay? In the case of two negative verbs, it isn't snowing, so they aren't going to the mountains. Okay, so this double negative implies that they would go if it were snowing. Okay? And the last one, we have Sue didn't like the movie and neither did Mark. So it means that both did not like the movie. Okay, so you have to be very careful when you have a double negative. And most importantly, you have to understand what the double negative means. Okay? But how are double negatives applied in the listening section, part A of the TOEFL test? Here we have a conversation. I can't believe the news that I heard about the concert. Well, it isn't impossible for the concert to take place. What does the woman say about the concert? Remember, a double negative implies a positive situation. So if something isn't impossible, it means that it is possible. Okay? So look at the four options that we have below. Letter A, there's no possibility that the concert will take place. B, the concert will definitely not take place. C, the concert might take place. And D, the concert can take place. So, if it is possible for the concert to take place, it means that the correct answer for the question, what does the woman say about the concert, is letter C. The concert might take place. Okay, so be careful when you listen to double negatives. You have to try to understand what the speaker wanted to say at the moment of using double negatives. Okay, so let's go back to the binder. You can find a very interesting activity related to double negatives, and then go to the practice and put into practice this strategy of the listening section. Okay, see you next time.